Notes from our trip to CFIHOS Industry. Engagement 2024. The CFIHOS Capital Facilities. Information Handover Specification. Industry Engagement Conference is an annual event that brings together industry leaders, professionals, and innovators to discuss the latest trends, challenges, and advancements in information management handover. As the industry faces evolving risks and regulatory demands, this conference serves as a vital platform to develop a comprehensive specification to ensure required information is clearly specified, created, gathered, and managed throughout the lifecycle of an asset. Streamline information management handover processes, standards, and specifications. Share knowledge, best practices, and strategies for implementing CFIHOS. The event includes insightful presentations, expert panels, and networking opportunities that empower stakeholders to support and participate in comprehensive and consistent information management handover-related requirements. This article, the first edition of our Digital Journey Notebook, discusses key themes and highlights from the 2024 conference in Kuala Lumpur. 1. Adoption and integration of supplier feedback. It has been recognized that a gap in CFIHOS exists concerning supplier information handover. To help address this gap, a large focus of the conference's first 2 days was on suppliers and how we need their help to address the gap. For example, it's common for suppliers to use a PDF datasheet instead of treating asset information as data using CFIHOS to classify properties and attributes. To align and close this gap, Petronas extended the invite to the conference to their suppliers, vendors, and engineering contractors to help them better understand the requirements that CFIHOS specifies. By working with them to ensure they understand what needs to be handed over, or where the efficiencies/savings are, we were able to achieve some common ground. The large contingent of Petronas vendors were able to ask questions and provide feedback to help improve the existing supplier gaps in CFIHOS. A crucial aspect of implementing CFIHOS throughout a project's lifecycle is ensuring all parties are aligned and adhere to the same asset information requirements. This alignment enhances overall efficiency in transferring information and documentation between stakeholders from the supplier to the EPC, and ultimately from the EPC to the owner-operator. A CFIHOS working group has been created to fully explore the existing gaps and ensure proper supplier representation. The group will participate in reviewing existing CFIHOS specifications to provide feedback and explore areas where supplier information can be better represented. This includes but is not limited to the Reference Data Library, RDL, document equipment and data requirements. 2. Benefits/business case for using CFIHOS. A key discussion at the 2024 conference was establishing a baseline to help companies evaluate the benefits and build a business case for adopting CFIHOS, as well as setting the expectation that companies working with and/or for them shall also align with CFIHOS. Attendees took the opportunity as a group to provide feedback regarding the scale of impact that the adoption of CFIHOS may have, both financially and in overall performance, safety, regulatory, etc. To ensure an accurate comparison can be performed, attendees first needed to agree on a baseline of how long tasks may take to complete using current specifications and processes within various types of organizations and groups. Through a series of questions and responses via an anonymous online forum, individuals from owner-operators, EPCs, vendors, software providers, etc., were able to provide feedback to establish a baseline. It was noted that certain question options were occasionally either undervalued or overemphasized, as it can be challenging for a single group to fully grasp the daily processes followed by each company. The attendees felt that having an online form would be highly beneficial, allowing companies to respond to a set of questions and enter information tailored to their specific needs and objectives for implementing CFIHOS. Given that companies undertake projects of different sizes and complexities, the business case must be adaptable to ensure the value proposition aligns with their unique requirements. Due to the importance of this tool to help validate and present both the business and financial value, it was determined that a breakout group formed of individuals from various industries, as well as companies ranging from owner-operators, vendors, contractors, software providers, consulting firms, etc., will further develop the online questionnaire to be released in the future. 3. Software conformance. A team composed of CFIHOS members has been working to create a form that will allow software providers to validate that their tool can conform to CFIHOS. Software vendors can now submit applications via the CFIHOS conformance website. In return, organizations will also be able to leverage the site to find software that supports some or all areas of CFIHOS. A key defining factor is that the software conformance group will ensure the tool aligns with CFIHOS guidelines and specifications, but does not go to the level of ensuring the tool adheres to specific regulations, etc. Understanding the value of the software conformance process and accreditation, it was determined that in the future, the conformance process may be extended to support consultants, EPCs, suppliers/vendors, etc. This will be a key tool where ReVisionz can further portray our support and expertise with CFIHOS. It will allow parties to more easily identify who can assist and support their digital transformation journey, adherence, and implementation of CFIHOS, specifications or processes. About the contributors. Pham is an associate partner and digital enablement business architect with ReVisionz. He organizes and manages teams to implement large-scale solutions to help clients manage their asset information to avoid safety incidents, reduce cost and schedule, and improve productivity. Miranda Loria is the Standards and Processes team lead with ReVisionz. She helps guide clients in a variety of process-heavy industries to ensure their asset information management programs adhere to industry standards and align with business needs.